Hello everyone, it's Laura Etema and I want to welcome you to this very wonderful singing program. I'm super excited to have all of you here and I hope you're going to achieve your vocal dreams. I hope you're going to follow through and achieve your vocal dreams, and at the end of the day you want to be wowing your audiences with your super newfound voice. Okay, so to start with, I have given I believe all of you follow through the 30-day singing challenge. Okay, we are going to be going through the topics and then customizing the lessons to suit your own personal vocal needs, because lessons given on my YouTube, my Facebook page are general. Okay, so you're going to be having it customized. I'm going to be hearing your voices and I'm going to be guiding you on how to develop techniques that you need to develop. Okay, so first things first, I know you already know a lot going by the lessons I've already given on my Facebook page. One thing I want to add here is I want you to take your solfege seriously. Okay, solfege, that is singing songs in solfa notation. Okay, and for a start I'm going to give you some notes to sing. Okay, while we look forward to that, I want to remind you that you all need to know your ranges. I believe you're not total beginners, so you can get your ranges. Okay, your church keyboardist can help you to find your vocal range, and if by any chance you don't know how to go about it, you can let me know so that I can help you find your vocal range, because part of what you'll be doing this program is to expand your vocal range. Okay, all right, so I believe the smallest range you will have here should be like maybe 2 octaves. Okay, everybody should be able to sing from 2 octaves and above. All right, so whatever it is, that's your first assignment. Find your range and send it to me. Okay, send it to the group. All right, so the first solfege work we are going to do is going to be do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do. You want to get the intonation, the actual tones, the sounds and everything. Okay, and then I believe everybody knows how to sing do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So that's standard. Everybody should know that. Okay, you may want to start with that. The first one should be that do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Then the second one, do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do. Okay, so that's the second one. Then the third one is do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mi. Then mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That's the third one. And then the fourth one is what? Do, mi, so, re, fa, la, mi, so, ti, fa, la, do, so, ti, re, la, do, mi, ti, re, fa, do, mi, so. Then so, mi, do, fa, re, ti, mi, do, la, re, ti, so, do, la, fa, ti, so, mi, la, fa, re, so, mi, do. Alright, so each person is to sing this back to me, okay, in an audio, and then you submit it. Only one audio, and whenever you're sending an audio for an assignment, label it. Okay, solfege for this, whatever it is you're singing. Or if it's a song, write the song title. Don't just send an audio. I won't open it and I won't respond to it. Okay, and when I give an assignment, try and send one audio. I don't want multiple. I won't open more than one if I have asked for just one. Okay, so whatever you need to do, whenever an assignment is given, what you want to do is practice it severally. Practice it over and over until you are a champion at it. Then record yourself and send. Okay, so for a start, you want to do your breathing exercises. For a start, I have already sent in videos to the group, the Facebook group, about stretching exercises. So you also want to stretch out first. Get your body ready for the singing, and make sure your stretching exercises are done daily. In fact, throughout the course of this program we are doing, you should be doing your stretching exercises. From the stretching exercises, you go into your vocal warm-up. You see a song, a practice routine in my ebook. Look at the practice routine. Okay, is to guide you on this, to know what to do, to know how to guide yourself and schedule yourself, know what to do first and what to do next, and all of that is very important. Okay, don't just do things anyhow. Now you're coming into the full knowledge of singing, so you want to start on your right foot. So yeah, basically you want to also do your breathing exercise. I want everybody to do this, what we call the breath hold, taking a big breath, not too choky, just fill up and then hold it. Put on your stopwatch and see for how long you can hold that breath, and also let me know that figure. Then the SH sound, you fill up very well and releasing the SH sound like this. Use your stopwatch and then let me know. In fact, you can even do it with WhatsApp audio. Just straight up put up the WhatsApp audio and then send it in. I've already given like 4 to 5 exercises already. I don't know if you're counting it. So that's how it's going to be. It's all about walk, walk, walk. There's no play here. We are here to what? Work out that voice, because at the end of this program, everybody's expected to sing a song. While we are going through the program, I'll be dishing out songs to everyone. Okay, I'll be dishing out songs to everyone. So you want to sing that song very well, and throughout the course of the program you get many songs. I'll pick one that you will sing and send to the group for everybody to see how much of work you have done on your voice, because of course there has to be evidence, and of course you know that you're going to get a certificate after this training. So take it seriously, because if you're not sending in any exercises, I am not sending you any certificate at the end of it all. I'm just going to be focusing on people who are serious. Okay, so that's it for now. So your stretching exercises, your breathing exercise, I've given 2, the breath hold and the SH sound release, and I want you to send me these figures too. Also, everybody should send me say 30 seconds to 1 minute of you singing your best song at your best. Use your best voice to sing the song. I want to do a vocal evaluation. This will help me to know some things about your voice, okay? And then I can guide you on what songs to pick for your final presentation at the end of this whole course. Okay, all right. So if you have missed anything, you can rewind, you can pause, and you can even fast forward if you like. Okay, you can convert this whole video to audio and put it on your phone and listen to it over and over again. Okay, all right. Ensure that you're following me on Ellie Music, Ellie Music rather, on Instagram, on Twitter, and all of that, and let your presence be felt. Okay, this course you're taking, I've told you, is what, over 50,000 naira. You can ask anywhere. In fact, when you go to other places, what you will gain if you go for one-on-one class, what you will gain from there, if you compare it to what you will gain on this online class, you will see that the difference is clear. Of course, you're lucky to have a teacher who has been trained in the United Kingdom. You're going to be getting the best, the very, very best. So take this seriously and let your friends know about this. Okay, whatever we do on the Facebook group, try to share, let other people know, so that some other people who need this can get it. Okay, that's what I'm giving you for free. Okay, like I mentioned, it's part of my community development project for the year 2021, and that's why you all are going to be certified. Okay, so I'm looking forward to your exercises, and all what we have done now, what we have done right now, all the assignments I've given and whatever I've given is equivalent to like 5 classes put in one. Okay, so take your time, don't rush it. Do each exercises one by one at a time. Take your time. The stretching, do your stretching. Stretching is one exercise on its own, one class on its own. The breathing is one class on its own. The solfege is one class on its own. But because it's online, you don't have to sit and wait and be doing step by step. You can take your time at the comfort of your home and practice over and over and over and over again. And that's the advantage of online classes. All right, so also for your vocal evaluation, remember I asked you to get your range. Make sure you find a keyboardist, your church keyboardist, or anyone. Find your range. It's an assignment. In fact, it's a project. You must find your range and send to me. Then I will now confirm it. That's what shows that you have done the work. So if you're not ready to work, just sign out now. But if you're ready to discover the full potential of your voice, you are welcome. Okay, All right, so looking forward to hearing from you all soon. Bye for now. It's Loretta Mayaboku Coach.